Hey guys, so the other day we were out riding. We were going from one trail to the next on the main road, probably going about 50 miles an hour. And all of a sudden the check engine light came on. It was on for a couple seconds, then it went off. Like, oh my gosh, what could it be? And we don't have an OBD reader. So we did some research and found that you actually don't need one with this. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Push a couple buttons and it'll show you whatever the fault codes are. We went through it, we figured it out, so without further ado, let's see how we do it. Okay, so we make sure that we have the keys in the ignition. The ignition is on the on position. Hold down the M button. On off brights. Just keep going till it pops up and it says no active fault code. If you do have a check engine light and there is a fault code, the code will pop up on the screen. Make sure that you're paying attention because it goes away pretty quickly. Come to find out, our problem was the Arizona heat. It was about 105 degrees. We were on a straightaway and the belt got too hot, which triggered the check engine light briefly. So we're all good. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this, hit a thumbs up. Be sure to like and subscribe. We will have more videos soon. Thank you.